Becoming a Renaissance Man, day 20. I finally recovered from my stomach flu. I'm feeling a lot better now. So here's to day 20. I'm gonna start doing these like weekly uploads because I don't really see the point doing like every day. It kind of feels like redundant. I'll do like weekly uploads that have more like depths and more like stuff going on. And yeah, so the next upload will be week 3. Yeah, God bless you.
Viriliter agite, vigilate state in fide, viriliter agite, et confortamini. From the curse of our desolation, in our work we must find salvation. Remember, man, that thou art dust. In the yoke of the cross we trust. Viriliter agite, vigilate state in fide, viriliter agite, et confortamini. The world's pattern is our undoing. Be reformed in your mind's renewing. Holy Writ, the scholar's plume. Ignorance of the law is doom.
Fratres sobrius tote et vigilate, qui adversarius fester diabolus tamquam leo rugiens circuit querens quem